So I just want to preface this by saying I'm usually a pretty good drone pilot.
If you've seen any drone footage in this video or in Zach's video, then I'm super happy because we crashed Zach's drone inside the tippy top of one of these trees that are incredibly high. We thought it would be a great idea to take the other drone, my drone, and fly it at a very high speed and hit the other drone that's stuck to dislodge it so that they both could come tumbling out of the tree. We thought it would be a great idea to take the other drone and hit the other drone that's stuck to dislodge it. Unfortunately, that brilliant idea backfired on us. Now we have two $1,500 drones stuck in the top of these trees. So Zach waved down a guy named Bjorn who was driving down the street in a tractor, and we've enlisted him to come and shake the tree with his tractor to try to get the drones out. Here's Bjorn. He's working it. If this works, we are giving him all the money in our wallet. They are up here at the very, very top. Think it's gonna work?
No, I hope so.
So Bjorn is going to wrap this around the tree. I don't know if this is gonna work. I kind of want to just chop the tree down, but I don't know what the rules and laws are on chopping trees down.
So felonies are fun.
There's a bunch of trees right there that were chopped down, but we don't own this property, so. Okay, the moment of truth. Watch out, Zach, it might hit you in the head.
I would be so happy if it hit me. So happy.
No. Oh. Oh, yes, yes, yes. See which one it is, see which one it is. Don't be mine, don't be mine. No, it's mine. Zach's is the one with all the footage. We need one more. Does he know there's one more?
I didn't tell him there was more than
Oh, no. Hold up, Bjorn. There's one more.
That was actually awesome.
There's one more.
Good news. There's
Two drones?
We tried to fly that one at that one to knock it out, and then the second one got stuck.
Okay. Okay.
We're kind of stupid.
Okay, let's try again though.
At least we got yours back.
Well, this one doesn't do anything.
I know.
We need yours. He's like, there's another one in there. Look at this guy. Oh yes! Go! Yes! Yes! We got it! We did it! We got the drones!
Awesome. Got it.
It's the man!
So cool.
Yes! Huh?
Look.
You did it! You saved the day! We got both drones! Bjorn, is it okay if you're in our YouTube video?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. You are awesome. You saved the day.
Guys.
So cool.
I can't believe we got both of them.
Oh, that was amazing.
That was a miracle.
Thank you for your help.
Dude, I'm paying you whatever money I've got here.
I'm gonna frame these dollars in and keep that in mind. When
200
Zach and Dan was in Norway, we did drone. That's right.
Now you can go watch the video and be like, that drone footage is only there because of you and your tractor.
That's right. That's actually right.
These drones look like they're in pretty good shape. They're a little dirty. I think they're gonna fly again.
We're not flying them today. You're missing propellers, bro. What do you mean good shape?
It's yours,
Oh,
bro.
I'm missing propellers. That's my drone.
Yeah,
We did it.
I'm pretty good. But there was this tree that kind of came out of nowhere, and it clipped the propeller of my drone.
You started your YouTube channel off a wrecked drone.
I did do that.
Yes! Yes!
I'm pretty good.